Imagine waking up to passive income every single day. AI is revolutionizing how we earn, and you can be part of this lucrative revolution. Forget the traditional 9-to-5 grind. AI empowers you to build a business that works tirelessly, 24/7. Get ready to embark on a journey toward financial freedom and discover how to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a reality powered by AI. The beauty of AI lies in its accessibility. With readily available tools and platforms, even beginners can build and scale AI-powered businesses. Discover proven strategies to generate substantial income from your AI business, including affiliate marketing, selling digital products, and offering subscription-based services. The world of business is changing faster than ever, and at the heart of this transformation is artificial intelligence. AI is your ticket to escaping the rat race and building a business that generates passive income while you focus on what truly matters. Get ready to unlock the secrets of building a business that works for you, not the other way around. In the digital age, content is king, and AI is its tireless scribe. Imagine building a vast online empire fueled by high-quality content generated effortlessly by AI. Monetize your content through affiliate marketing, display ads, or even by selling your own digital products. Imagine packaging your knowledge, experience, and unique skills into digital products that sell themselves, generating passive income 24/7. Whether you're an expert marketer, a seasoned designer, a financial guru, or a master chef, AI can help you transform your expertise into scalable digital assets. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and even your own website provide marketplaces to showcase and sell your AI-powered digital products. Now that we've explored the exciting world of AI business models, it's time to roll up our sleeves and start building your own passive income generating machine. The first step is to choose your preferred AI business model. From content creation and sales funnels to email marketing and customer service, there's an AI-powered tool for almost every aspect of your business. Nobody enjoys spending hours on repetitive tasks. For content automation, tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Copy.ai are your secret weapons. With these powerful automation tools at your disposal, you'll be amazed at how much you can achieve while barely lifting a finger. In today's digital landscape, content is king. AI writing tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Copy.ai can generate human-quality content that is both engaging and informative. These tools can also help you overcome writer's block, generate fresh content ideas, and optimize your content for search engines. You've built the AI-powered engine, streamlined your operations with automation tools, and now it's time for the fun part, turning your hard work into a steady stream of passive income. From affiliate marketing and digital product sales to YouTube monetization and SaaS subscriptions, the possibilities are vast and exciting. Get ready to unlock the money machine and watch as your AI-powered empire starts generating wealth. Imagine getting paid to recommend products and services you already love and believe in. AI plays a crucial role in maximizing your affiliate marketing success. By building trust and credibility, you'll establish yourself as a trusted advisor, driving consistent affiliate sales and generating a steady stream of passive income. Imagine packaging your knowledge, experience, or creative skills into digital products that sell themselves, generating passive income around the clock. AI empowers you to create high-quality digital products with speed and efficiency. With the right marketing and automation strategies in place, your AI-generated digital products can become a significant revenue stream, fueling the growth and success of your AI-powered empire. Imagine your AI business not just running smoothly on autopilot but also continuously expanding, reaching new heights of success without demanding a proportional increase in your workload. This is the power of scaling with AI. It's not just about working smarter, it's about leveraging intelligent systems to multiply your efforts and achieve exponential growth without sacrificing your precious time and freedom. Scaling an AI business is about identifying areas where automation and AI can take over repetitive tasks, freeing you to focus on strategic decisions, creative brainstorming, and building deeper relationships with your audience and customers. It's about leveraging the power of data analysis to gain insights into your target market, optimize your offerings, and make informed decisions that drive sustainable growth. Scaling might seem daunting, but it's a natural progression for a successful AI business. As your income grows and your audience expands, AI empowers you to scale your operations without feeling overwhelmed. It's about working smarter, not harder, and embracing the transformative potential of AI to unlock unprecedented levels of success. In the following sections, we'll explore the key strategies for scaling your AI business with automation. From outsourcing tasks to AI virtual assistants to automating your marketing efforts and leveraging data analytics to fuel growth. Get ready to take your AI business to the next level and watch as it soars to new heights of profitability and impact. Remember those repetitive tasks we talked about? The ones that suck up your valuable time and energy? Well, it's time to bid them farewell and hand them over to your new AI-powered workforce. Virtual assistants and automated marketing tools are here to revolutionize how you run your business, freeing you from the shackles of mundane tasks and empowering you to focus on what truly matters. AI virtual assistants, like the ones available on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, can handle a wide range of tasks, from managing your email inbox and scheduling appointments to conducting research, creating social media posts, and even providing basic customer support. These digital helpers are available 24/7, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep your business running smoothly. But the automation revolution doesn't stop there. Marketing, a crucial aspect of any successful business, can be significantly enhanced with AI-powered tools. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads offer robust targeting options and AI-driven campaign optimization, ensuring that your marketing budget is spent effectively and reaches the right audience. Email marketing platforms like GetResponse AI can segment your audience, personalize messages, and even generate engaging email content, all while tracking performance metrics and providing valuable insights to improve your campaigns. By embracing the power of AI virtual assistants and automated marketing, you'll free up countless hours, reduce your workload, and create a leaner, more efficient business that practically runs itself. Data-driven domination using AI analytics to optimize and grow. In the age of information, data is king, and nowhere is this truer than in the world of business. But raw data is useless unless you can extract meaningful insights and use them to make informed decisions. That's where AI analytics comes in, transforming you from a data hoarder into a data-driven decision maker. AI-powered analytics tools can process vast amounts of data in real time, identifying patterns, trends, and opportunities that would be impossible for humans to spot. These tools provide you with a deep understanding of your target audience, their behavior, preferences, and pain points, allowing you to tailor your offerings, marketing messages, and overall business strategy for maximum impact. Imagine knowing exactly which content resonates most with your audience, which marketing channels drive the highest conversions, and even predicting future trends in your industry. AI analytics empowers you to make data-backed decisions, optimize your pricing strategies, personalize your customer interactions, and ultimately, drive sustainable growth and profitability. Platforms like Google Analytics, Hotjar, and SEMrush offer a wealth of AI-powered analytics tools to track website traffic, analyze user behavior, monitor social media engagement, and gain a comprehensive understanding of your business performance. By embracing data-driven decision-making, you'll transform your AI business from a guessing game into a well-oiled machine, operating with precision, efficiency, and a clear path to success. Case study number 1, the AI-powered blog empire, $5,000 a month on Autopilot. Meet Sarah, a busy mom who built a $5K/month blog using AI tools. With a passion for healthy living, she always dreamed of starting a blog. She discovered AI content automation. Using Jasper AI and Buffer, Sarah launched a blog on healthy living. She generated SEO-optimized articles quickly, Sarah used affiliate links and sponsored posts. Soon her blog earned $5K/month in passive income. Sarah's story shows the power of AI in building a profitable online business. Section 2, Case Study Number 2, Faceless YouTube Domination, $10,000 or more per month with AI scripts and videos. John, a self-proclaimed introvert, always shied away from the spotlight. But he had a knack for explaining complex topics in a simple, engaging way and dreamed of sharing his knowledge with the world. When he discovered the potential of faceless YouTube channels, he knew he had found his calling. Leveraging AI script generators and text-to-speech software, John started creating informative and entertaining videos on topics ranging from personal finance and technology to history and science. He used royalty-free stock footage and animations to bring his scripts to life, creating visually appealing content that captivated his growing audience. John monetized his channel through a combination of AdSense revenue, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. He strategically placed affiliate links in his video descriptions, promoting relevant products and services to his viewers. He also partnered with brands to create sponsored videos, further boosting his income. Within a year, John's faceless YouTube channel was generating over $10,000 per month in passive income, proving that you don't need to be a charismatic on-screen personality to find success on YouTube. By harnessing the power of AI and focusing on creating high-quality, valuable content, John was able to build a thriving business while staying true to himself and his introverted nature. His story is an inspiration to anyone who dreams of sharing their knowledge and passions with the world, even without showing their face. Section 3. Case Study Number 3, AI SaaS, Scaling to $50,000 per month Recurring Revenue. Mark, a software developer, saw a gap in AI tools for social media marketing. He built a platform to analyze data, generate content, and automate posting. Integrating with Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, his SaaS used AI to optimize posts. Mark adopted a subscription model, offering various pricing tiers. Exceptional customer support and continuous improvement gained loyal customers. Within 2 years, his platform generated over $50,000 per month. Mark's story shows the power of AI in SaaS and inspires tech entrepreneurs. The future of passive income is here, driven by the remarkable capabilities of artificial intelligence. AI empowers us to break free from traditional work models and build businesses that generate wealth while we sleep, travel, or enjoy life. From automating content creation and streamlining marketing efforts to providing personalized customer experiences and unlocking data-driven insights, AI is transforming the business landscape. Embracing AI is essential for building a successful, future-proof business. It's about leveraging AI to handle repetitive tasks, freeing up time for strategy, creativity, and innovation. You've now been equipped with the knowledge, tools, and inspiration to embark on your own AI-powered business journey. The next step is to take action. Don't let fear, doubt, or procrastination hold you back from pursuing your entrepreneurial dreams. Remember, every successful business started with a single step, a spark of an idea that was nurtured into a reality. Start by identifying your passions, skills, and interests. What problems are you passionate about solving? What knowledge or expertise can you share with the world? Once you have a clear vision, explore the different AI business models we've discussed, and choose the one that best aligns with your goals and resources. Remember, building a successful business is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to adapt and learn along the way. But with the right mindset, a solid plan, and the power of AI on your side, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve the financial freedom and fulfillment you deserve. So, what are you waiting for? The future of passive income is here, and it's powered by AI. Take the first step today, and let's build your AI-powered empire together.